Are you looking for real estate in Turkey? In case you didn't see our episodes before, my name is David and I'm the founder of a real estate agency called Aegean Locations. We are focusing on selling real estate in the most beautiful areas of Turkey. Today we are going to talk about the traffic situation in Izmir. This topic has been a game changer for both locals and also newcomers in Izmir. Understanding the traffic situation in Izmir. First, let's talk about the state of traffic in Izmir in comparison with Istanbul. If you ever experienced the crazy traffic in Istanbul, you know it can be quite a challenge. Very long commutes and a lot of frustration is quite normal for residents in Istanbul. The Izmir advantage. A lot of new residents and local people in Izmir are noticing something different. There isn't as much traffic. This means you can actually enjoy your life more. You have the freedom to explore beautiful places without being stuck in traffic. The quality of life. What I noticed when I was living in Istanbul, that it was quite exhausting in the weekend to go to different places because of the traffic. In Izmir, I don't have this feeling at all. For a lot of foreigners, moving to Izmir is becoming more attractive each day. The overpopulation in Istanbul is making Izmir a very nice alternative to live in. Improvements in travel time. In 2022, data showed that travel time in Izmir improved. On average, it takes 18 minutes to drive 10 kilometers in Izmir. The average time it took to drive 10 kilometers decreased by 1 minute and 40 seconds. That is a significant improvement, making daily commutes and also weekend getaways much more enjoyable. Global ranking. Izmir's improvement in traffic didn't go unnoticed on the global stage. In 2022, Izmir ranked on the 99th place in terms of travel time and speed. The conclusion. In conclusion, in Izmir the traffic situation is a lot better in comparison with other big cities in Turkey. With improved travel times, Izmir is positioning itself as a great place to live and work. If you need any information about real estate in Turkey or other lifestyle questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching!